my armpit?
I'm trying.
Please. All right, what I want to be serious about is, this is what is so awesome about the FomZillias. They can take, I don't even know what I'm going to say. They can take a licking and keep on ticking. Check, see right here, you just missed it.
Yeah.
You just missed it. Simple and easy and simple. A little bit of oil-based paint on that, and we are good for another season. So, they've lasted really well, I think. Very pleased with them.
What year did you make these in?
This one is a 2020. So this is the 5th season. Is my math right?
I am not going there. Off.
It is the 5th season. So, but anyway, yeah, man, they just they take a lick and keep on ticking. Is what I really enjoy about them. Put a little bit of time in them here, and they're going to be good for another season. And we'll repaint them next year. So, as always, thinking of you, we are. She's humid now.